really get to know someone because you have to talk. Like, oh my goodness, when did you turn into the love guru?
Oh my word.
Some of the shit she was saying was so ridiculous.
What else
like,
did she say?
I was just laughing. I was like, sure, like, pump the brakes a little bit.
What else did she say?
I've never felt this feeling about anyone before. I'm like, Char, you've said that to me like 6 times.
I said the exact same thing to her. I said, Char, you just said that to me about Kramer.
I know. And Char's like, yeah, but he's such like a special person. I'm like, you said the exact same thing about Kramer. She's like, no, I didn't.
Well,
I was like happy to meet him because I knew what kind of guy he was, but this is special. Like, Char. I couldn't even talk to her. I was just laughing, and then I was just, like, making fun of her, and I'm like, well, if you're, like, what am I supposed to say? She's literally, like, on cloud 30 right now.
I know.